Hi guys, for today's video, I'm going to make the request of Miss Cory. She's requesting a box for cake slices, and I guess she wants this kind of box, a triangular one, so I will try to do it for her. At first, I have to make a sketch so I know how am I going to do this and show to her step by step. And I am going to use this as a pattern, and the size of this is customized. This is my own size, so this is the measurement I am going to do in a board material. The dimension should be 18 inches by 18.5. That's the dimension of the board material, and this is the dimension of the box. But before I start the box tutorial, for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell button so you will be notified on my next upload. Or if you have any comment or you have a request, you can do the same. Just comment on the comment box below. Okay guys, let us now start. So if you are going to make a box with the same dimension, then you have to do the same measurement. Okay, now I will show you how to do this. It's just like you are going to make a triangle on the lower side of the board. And next is the height of the box. And then next is the base of the box with a length of 6 inches. Then this one, this will be the side of the box and the height is 5 inches. So from this point, you have to count 5 inches and then adjust it up to the line, to this point. Then make a line and do it also on top. Same thing, from the tip of the triangle, count 5 inches up to and adjust it up to the line. Then from this point, make a line up to the 5 inches and connect it now. Then you have to do the same. Whatever you did on the right side, you have to do it also on the left side. And now I'm going to do this. This is 2 inches and then adjust it up to 3 centimeters above. So from this line, you have to count 3 centimeters, and that's where you have to start the line going up. And then connect it to the corner. Then do the same on the left side. Then I'm going to do this one guys, and the length of this is only 3/4 or 0.75 inch. But it's up to you. If you want to make it longer, then it's okay, or if you want to remove it, that's fine also. Next to do, guys, is the handle. So I'm using my protractor. The size of this is also up to you. You can make it small or you can make it big. Okay, I am done. Then I'm going to cut this out to shape it so you can see what is the shape of the pattern of this triangular box for cake slices. Okay guys, now it's done. The pattern now should look like this. And next is I'm going to put a hole here so I can insert the handle. This one guys is for the handle. You just have to make a hole. And for the other side or the left side, I'm going to put the hole there later on. And for now, I'm going to score it so I can easily fold and assemble this box. Guys, the one I am scoring here are only those lines that you can see. And you have to make sure that you are scoring exactly on the line. Make sure that you will not move the ruler during scoring. Otherwise, it will be unproportioned. I am using the double-sided tape to lock this side. Okay, so this time guys, I can make a hole on the left side of the handle. I just have to make this as a pattern, so it's exactly the same. Okay guys, this is done. Now I have a box for one slice of cake. And in order for you to put the cake inside, you just have to open this. Ayan. Okay, we're done guys, and I hope you like this video. And if you do, please do share it with your friends. Please like it and comment down. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you will watch my next video tutorial.